Now friends, activity 1.2 is the given. Take a mook or gram seeds at the germinated them. Select 3 equal size the seedling. Take 3 empty glasses or similar vessels. Mark them A, B, C. Means you have to take a gram seeds or mook and germinate at them. Means sprouted should be come out from them. Okay. Now 3 equal size of these seedlings you have to collect. You have to take 3 empty glasses or similar vessels. Mark them A, B, C like this. Okay. Now glass A, little amount of soil mixed with a little cow dung manure. Cow cake is coming, the dry form of this cow cake which is known as a cow dung. So you have to take little amount with a soil. In a glass B, means this one, you have to put the same amount of soil mixed with the little urea. Okay. Now take a some amount of soil in a glass C without adding anything. Means you have to didn't add to over there manure or never a urea. Okay friends. Now pour the same amount of water in each of the plant seedling in them. Keep them in a safe places and water them daily. After 7 to 10 days observe their growth. Okay, so you are seeing that figure A, sorry, glass A, B and C. Okay, did the plants in all the glasses grow at the same pace? No. Okay, which glass shows the better growth of the plants? We can say the B or B and E. Okay, but better one is the B. In which glass was the growth is the fastest? So we can say that the B. Okay friends, this activity 1.2 you can do at your home. Fertilizers are chemical which are rich in particular nutrient. It is a one kind of chemical. Fertilizer is a one kind of chemical. In it the particular nutrients are present. Okay, however, how are they are different from the manure? Okay, the fertilizer are reproduced in the factories while manures we can produce at our farm. Now, some example of fertilizers are urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, potash, NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. You have to remind these all the example of fertilizer because one kind of question is coming into your exercise. Okay, so you should at least 3 name of the fertilizers you should know. Okay, the use of these fertilizers has helped the farmers to get better yield of crop. So why we should use the fertilizers? Because it's giving the better yield of the crop production. Okay, but if we are using the excessive use of fertilizer has made the soil less fertile. But if we are using the more fertilizers, so the soil will be less fertile. Fertilizers have also become a source of water pollution. It is also the one kind of source of water pollution. There is order to maintain the fertility of soil. We have to substitute the fertilizers with the organic manure or leave the field uncultivated in between two crops. So what's they are saying? So instead of using the fertilizers, okay, to improve the quality of the soil, we should use the organic manure. And sometime what we have to do, we have to do the break between the crop break here. That means what they are telling to us here, that sometime field uncultivated means that means fallow. Okay, we should also give rest to it. The use of manure improves soil texture as well as the water retaining capacity. So instead of fertilizer, suppose we are using the organic manure, at that time what happening, it's improve the quality of soil. Within that water holding capacity is also increasing, which is good for the plant. It replenishes the soil with the nutrients and the nutrients adding to the soil. Okay, another method of replenishing the soil with the nutrient is through crop rotation. Crop rotations, that means we have to change the selection of crop. We have to change the selection of crop. Means one time if we are doing the paddy, so another time we have to grow the another plant in it. Okay, this can be done by growing the different crops alternately. Earlier farmers in the northern India used to grow legumes as fodder in one season and wheat in the next season. So legumes and the wheat, okay, they are here, they are doing the crop rotation. Okay, one season they are doing the legumes and another season they are doing the wheat production. Okay, so in this way we have to also follow to increase the quality of the soil. This help in replenishment of the soil with the nitrogen. Okay, farmers are being encouraged to adopt this practice. Means farmer have to follow the crop rotation. In the previous classes, you have learned about the rhizobium. It is a one kind of bacterium. These are present in the nodules of the roots of the leguminous plants. They are present at the root of the leguminous plant. They fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Table 1.1 gives the difference between the fertilizers and manure that we learn in these next previous para, but while differentiate we can compare and we can understand it very well. Okay, so friends, what's given here? Fertilizer is man-made inorganic salt. Okay, now manure is a natural substance which is obtained by the decomposition of the cattle dung. Plant residues means dry leaves, roots, stem, etc., etc., coming into it. Fertilizer is prepared in the factories while it is prepared in the field. Okay, fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. Manure provide a lot of humus to the soil. Fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Then at that time manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. Now advantage of the manure. The organic manure is considered better than the fertilizers. So what is the importance of the manure? Okay, while we are doing the comparison with the fertilizer, so let us see. It enhances the water holding capacity of soils. Okay, now it increases here the capacity of the water holding. It makes the soil porous. Porous, that means here soft. It's make the soil soft, due to which the absence of the gases which is become easily. It increases the number of friendly microbes. Microbes which is very helpful to the soil. The number of microbes which is increases due to the manure. Okay. Now it improves the texture of soil. That means quality of the soil. So here we learn about the 1.4 showing. Okay, then in it we learn the traditional tool, later it the seed field, and 1.5 adding manure and the fertilizer. 1.6 we will see into the next part of the video. Thank you.